Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch2React. Today I'm going to show you how to take your exported Sketch2React HTML code and upload it to CodePen. So we are going to create this, upload this awesome card here to CodePen. And CodePen is an incredible resource when it comes to showcasing code. You can also go in here and change stuff and you get a real-time update. It's really handy. So I have been thinking about this for a while and I finally figured out how to do this. So I will show you how. First of all, I created this inside of Sketch and I made a hover effect here. So I just duplicated the background and named it hover and did some funky styling here with gradients and stuff. Then this is how it looks in our code app. I exported this to HTML by pressing there, and then here's the exported folder with everything. I drag drop this onto Visual Studio Code, and here it's in Visual Studio Code. I also added something that you don't need right now. I added a package.json file to be able to look at this on my local server. So for example, I can show you how this works. I have installed this script, package.json script. I did a tutorial about this a while ago, and then if I press npm start, it will start up my local server and open up Chrome. So this is how it looks inside of Chrome. And yeah, I also added another little thingy. I went inside the page CSS that is called start, because this is on the first page that is called start. And I added this little thing to this class that is called container blah 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 hover. I added this line, transition all 700 milliseconds ease. So what this does is that it animates the transition from here to this state in a nice smooth way. So what to do next? How do we get this into CodePen? So let me create a new card here. Let's just back up a bit here. And you need an account. It's free. Just press pen there. And first of all, we need to copy the HTML. So let's go to Visual Studio Code, and we are here, index.html. Just take everything and copy it onto this one, HTML. Boom. Okay. And let's see what it does. Yes, this is just the HTML, no styling, nothing. Okay. After this, I went into we have another one called CSS, so we need to have the CSS for this page. So I just went in here and command control and command V. And now we are starting to look a bit like that other one, like this one, but we are not there yet. So we have the HTML and we have the CSS. This one you can actually ignore right now, so we can do like that. So okay, then we need to go into the CSS tab, because this still looks like, let's try out and look at this. Not much has happened here. So actually the most important thing is this CSS, the s2r.min.css file. All this code here, this CSS tells this one here to look like this one, minus the image. So what you need to do here is you need to take this one and upload it to a server. I uploaded this to my own server, our server, CSS there, and let's add this here. And now, my friends, you're going to see something awesome. Save and close. Like that. So, our CSS does all of these things, you know, that you have here in our code app, like centering this, making sure this is responsive and stuff like that. So we still need the image. So what I did was I went to my project folder, and in images, here is the image. It's here. I just uploaded this one to my own server and copied the URL. Same. You can put this anywhere. And let's go into the HTML here. And here we have source images here, source blah blah blah. Let's take away, it's looking in the local folder, but we need it here instead. So, boom. So nice. I guess by now you have realized the greatness of this. I mean, it's cool to just send this to anyone. You can also play around with the settings here. This is great because CodePen is for this. You can say that we want to have a huge radius on the border, on the hover. You see, it's really nice. Let's say that we want a quicker ease transition here. Let's wait for the reload. Like that. Much quicker. You can restyle everything here actually. And then you save and give it a name. Call this one, press the little pen there, tutorial pen. So, like that. Let's save this.